Toyota Sienna 2024 versus 2025, a comprehensive overview. The Toyota Sienna is a standout in the minivan market, known for its family-friendly design, exceptional hybrid efficiency, and advanced technology. Both the 2024 and 2025 models carry forward these strengths, with the 2025 version introducing subtle refinements for an even better driving experience. Let's take a detailed look at the key aspects of both models. Performance in 2024 model, equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine, delivering 245 horsepower through a combination of gasoline and electric power. Standard front-wheel drive with all-wheel drive as an option for enhanced traction. Exceptional fuel efficiency, averaging 36 pg combined, making it one of the most economical options in its class. 2025 model retains the same hybrid-only powertrain, maintaining the impressive fuel economy of the 2024 model. Minor adjustments to the hybrid system for smoother transitions between gas and electric modes, improving overall driving dynamics. Both models prioritize efficiency without compromising on power, appealing to eco-conscious families. Interior design and comfort. 2024 model offers 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers. Second-row captain's chairs are available for added luxury. Features like the super long slide allow second-row seats to move further forward or backward, maximizing passenger comfort or cargo space. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, with thoughtful storage solutions for busy families. Total cargo space reaches 101 cubic feet, with the rear seats folded flat. 2025 model maintains the spacious and versatile interior layout of the 2024 version. Introduces new upholstery options and refined seat ergonomics, particularly for the driver's seat, enhancing long-distance comfort. Additional noise insulation results in a quieter cabin, ideal for road trips or city driving. Both models excel in passenger comfort and adaptability. But the 2025 Sienna offers subtle upgrades for a more premium feel. Technology and infotainment. 2024 model, a standard 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Optional upgrades include a 12-speaker JBL sound system and a rear seat entertainment system, making it perfect for families. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. 2025 model, the infotainment system gets an updated user interface with faster response times and more intuitive controls. Adds extra USB-C ports for improved device charging capabilities, addressing modern connectivity needs. Enhanced driver assistance features like updated lane tracing assist and proactive driving assist ensure even greater safety on the road. While the 2024 model is already technology-rich, the 2025 Sienna refines its systems to be faster and more user-friendly. Exterior styling. 2024 model features a sleek and modern design with bold headlights, sharp body lines, and a large grille. Available in trims ranging from the sporty XSE to the luxurious Platinum, offering options for all preferences. 2025 model retains the overall design of the 2024 version, but introduces new alloy wheel designs and fresh color options, including more vibrant metallic shades for added visual appeal. The 2025 model subtly builds on the already attractive styling of the 2024 Sienna. Safety and driver assistance. Both the 2024 and 2025 models come with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 as standard, offering pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist. The 2025 model enhances some features, such as improved lane tracing assist, making it even safer for daily commutes and long journeys. Pricing and trims. 2024 model. Pricing starts at approximately $37,000 for base models, with top trims like the Platinum exceeding $50,000. Offers trims such as LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum, catering to various needs and budgets. 2025 model. Pricing is expected to remain similar to the 2024 model, though slight increases may apply due to the feature enhancements. Conclusion. The 2024 Toyota Sienna is a well-rounded and reliable minivan, offering excellent hybrid efficiency, a spacious interior, and advanced safety features. The 2025 Sienna builds on these strengths, introducing minor but meaningful updates, such as improved noise insulation, additional tech features, and enhanced safety systems. For families looking for a practical and eco-friendly vehicle, the 2024 model is a great option. However, if you prioritize the latest features and subtle refinements, the 2025 Sienna may be the better choice. Both models continue to uphold Toyota's reputation for quality and dependability.